The idea behind virtual reality is that we wanted to be different. We wanted to offer a product that was unlike any other, one where you would actually kind of float through the home, adds another dimension to virtual tours. Instead of just walking through the home, taking still photographs, we wear the Steadicam rig, we walk through the home, it's a very fluid motion. It's almost like you're floating through the house, and I think that's a new way to look at real estate.
Pop-up speakers on the corners. All the ladies like to have their pantry for the kitchen. Pot shelves all over, all around the room. Guest bathroom.